How to see how many times you have played a song on Spotify or how many times you have listened to one particular song on Spotify. Well, hello everyone, welcome back into the channel. In this video today, I'll guide you through steps on how you can view how many times you have played or listened to a particular song or sound on Spotify. Well, if you open up Spotify first and head over to here on library, you'll see that you'll find various libraries right here recently, and if you tap on the profile icon at the top left, you'll find the recent tab there. Now if you tap on recent, however, you'll be able to see your recent, what you have listened recently. If you have listened to it multiple times, you'll find it right there. You'll find the albums that you have listened to, and if you tap on it, you'll find the songs that you have listened to. However, you won't be able to view how many times you have listened to one particular song on Spotify. Spotify doesn't give you that option as well at all, so you won't be able to view how many times you have listened to one particular song, but you will be able to see the list to which songs you have listened. So I hope this video was helpful. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave the comments down below if you have any further issues.